Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, before I get into my recipe, I want to show y'all I received a few gifts over the festive season. This is a food processor. When my brother came to stay over, Madhan, he bought me a food processor for Christmas. I needed a food processor for a long time, and my brother answered my wishes. This will come in very handy for the future. We will make a recipe soon. We will use it, and a very big thank you go out to my brother. The second gift is from Jay Pillay, a long time supporter for the channel. She gave me this gift for New Year's, and today we are going to unbox it and see what surprise is in here. Oh, okay. This is a right side. Yeah, something is written here, Babu. I have to read it out. Jay sent us a note along with the gift, and without my glasses, I cannot read. So I quickly tell Pranesh to read this lovely note out.
Okay, so the note says, Dear Auntie Lali, thank you for allowing us into your kitchen and for sharing your delicious recipes with us. Your good heart, humility, and authenticity truly shine through. Wishing you all the best for 2026. Love from Jay.
Oh, there's so many gifts in here. Jay Pillay has sent us a box full of things. I'm just going to take them up, each item out, and show you. Oh, these are lovely stuffs. So many. There is many here to mention, and they are spoons, whisk, and lovely wooden handles. This is beautiful. There's more to come. This is a stand, and these are the silicone holders when using for the stove. And these are measuring spoons. And this is a vegetable peeler. This is a pizza cutter and some angers. And this is measuring cups. I will definitely put all this into use in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much, Jay, and your support is most appreciated. And if you look closely, you will see the tears in my eyes. Now we're going to show you all a quick back to school lunchbox recipe. Now that the children are gone back to school, I'm going to show you all a very quick lunchbox recipe. But we also have many lunchbox recipe on the channel. If you need some ideas, you can search for those videos. Today we are going to make some lovely cheesy hot dog rolls. We made some lovely tin fish rolls recipe in December. This is children's friendly version of the recipe. The ingredients I am going to need is, firstly I'm going to start off with 4 chicken viennas, which I'm going to microwave for 2 minutes. Here I've got a cup of grated cheese. You can use any cheese to your liking. To my cheese, I'm going to add in, I have 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, but I will adjust it accordingly with starting with a tablespoon each. I'm going to use my bread for the rolls, and I've got thick slice white bread. And then to crumb, I have 1 egg, which I will add in a grain of salt and a grain of pepper. And we're going to start off with half a cup of breadcrumbs. To cook our cheesy hot dog rolls, we're going to use our hair fryer. That will even make it healthier for the children's. I'm going to start by steaming my viennas in the microwave. My viennas are ready. I'm just going to mix my sauce to my cheese. Starting with 1 tablespoon of each. I'm going to give this a nice mix and adjust. I am just going to add in another half a tablespoon of my sweet chili and half a tablespoon of my mayonnaise. So now it's looking like it adjusted. So I used 1.5 tablespoons of each sauce. For starters, I'm going to use 4 slices of my bread, and I'm going to cut the crust out. We will keep this crust away to make more lovely breadcrumbs. I will take 1 slice, place it, I'm using my countertop. I'm just going to give this a slight roll. So this is enough. I will roll out my 4 slices of bread. I'm going to crack my egg and beat my egg with pepper and salt. If needed, I'll use another egg. Grain of salt and a grain of pepper. I'll give this a nice beat. I'm going to start by using my cheese mixture to one side of the bread. Spread it out. And then take a piece of my vienna and place it on top. We cut our viennas in half so it can sit in the bread. So gently we will roll this, and then to the edge we'll brush some egg, so this will allow the bread to seal. So to the ends, I'm going to add in some egg again and give this a nice squeeze. And thereafter, I dip my bread into the egg. and then to my breadcrumb. And this makes a lovely cheesy hot dog roll. I will do my second one in the same manner. I'll put some of my cheese mixture to the bottom. Then a piece of my Vienna. And roll this. Use my egg. And also add in the eggs to the ends and squeeze it firmly. And then dip my bread into the egg and let it coat in very well. And then to my breadcrumb. Here I have my first 4 bread rolls ready, and I'm using a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to apply it upon the bread rolls. I'm going to add my rolls to my basket, and here I've got it lined up with some parchment paper. I'm going to set them and allow them to have some space. This is how it's set. I'll slide this basket into my air fryer. We will give our rolls 12 minutes at 200 degrees, and in 6 minutes we'll flip it over. 12 minutes has passed and my rolls are done. Here you can see how beautiful, nice and golden brown. You had to be careful when fulling. When overfulling, it can break. Now we are ready to serve by popping this into the lunch tin and sending it off to work. Here you go. My lunchbox is ready to be sent with my big son, which is 44 years old, to work. But y'all can do this for your school-going children, and it only took 12 minutes in the air fryer. You can prepare the rolls ahead and freeze them and air fry it when needed. And I know my big son, who's my big baby, will enjoy this lunchbox. I hope you'll give this a try and enjoy.